Today we're going to be talking about exosomes. It's kind of a newish word, and it relates to a technology that's been more recently developed to help handle infection and inflammation in the body. Well, exosomes are extracts that are obtained from the umbilical cord of a newborn. Exosomes are very tiny pieces of information. So they're proteins, and they consist as well of hormones, RNA, different particles that will affect how the body functions. And we're going to be using this for neurologic disease. It's been helpful in Parkinson's disease, probably would be useful in peripheral neuropathy. And we've used it in other things, autoimmune conditions like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis. Those are all areas where you would be employing them. All you have to do is put a needle into a vein and do the infusion through the vein, which the nurse does, which only takes a couple of minutes. I actually had exosomes put in my body last week to help me heal a couple of other issues, and we'll see how I do with it. They will work for weeks to months. So you may see an initial effect within a few days, but generally we assume it's going to be continuing to work for several weeks to several months. So you get the additive effect over all that time. So it's a very nice approach, and it's very safe. There's no real risk to it. So if you're interested in finding out about this or possibly getting the treatment, give our office a call, 949-600-5100, and talk to one of our representatives related to the exosomes, and they can tell you more about it and even send you information about it.